Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. So as promised in my previous videos that from this video onwards I would make few topics on how actually you can implement the manifestation techniques in your life. So when I started my process with law of attraction and manifestation, one of the techniques which has worked wonders for me always is visualization. And that is one of the most powerful tools as well for manifestation. So in this video, I would give you tips of how you can visualize the life that you want or whatever you're trying to attract and actually bring that in your life into your reality. Now, before we go into the detail, I have heard so many people say that, Priyanka, I have trouble visualizing something. I cannot just close my eyes and have the picture of it in front of me. While with some people, it's very, very easy. They say that the moment I close my eyes, it's all there in front of me and I'm so happy that it's right there. Don't worry if you are not able to visualize something properly. You can always get into that, practice of actually visualizing. So for those people who actually have problem visualizing something, so I'll give you a very small technique of how you can practice so that when you go into the process of visualization to manifest your dreams, your desires, you can use it. So whenever you are in your room or in a quieter place where there is nobody else to disturb you, just focus on any one object, right? Pick up any object. It can be a lamp, it can be a candle, it can be a book, it can be a cupboard, it can be a painting that you have in your room, it can be absolutely anything. So just pick up one object, focus on the object, try identifying the every minute detail that is there in that object. Say for instance, if you're trying to visualize a lamp, so focus on the lamp. See the color of the bulb, see the radiance that is there, see the halo that is around there, see the light that is reflecting, see if there are any designs in the lamp, what is the color of the shade, and every detail. Focus, perceive it in your mind, and then go back, close your eyes, and try to create that lamp again in your mind in exactly the way that you have seen it. When you have done that, open your eyes again and see the lamp again and see if you have missed out on any spot or any of the detail. If you have, identify that, close your eyes back, put that detail again in that visualization. So this, if you keep practicing, it will help you develop the power or develop the visualization thing. You can grow it more and later on you become a visualizing beast. All right, so this is the process where you can, how you can visualize something, but let's go to the steps of how you can manifest something through visualization. So first and the foremost thing that is needed is a very detailed idea about what you want to manifest. So have the most clear picture about what is it that you're trying to attract in your life, what is it that you're trying to manifest in your life. So it can be a particular job, it can be a particular relationship, it can be a particular amount of money, a lifestyle, whatever it is. Have the very clear picture of what that looks like to you or what that means to you. In case if you are having problem detailing it in your mind, take a sheet of paper, write down, script it down to every single minute detail of how this thing looks in your life. What would you do right now if it is there? So say for instance, if you're trying to attract money, a particular sum of amount, go into the detail of writing that what will you do if you have that money right now with you? If you're trying to attract a relationship, if you're trying to attract a specific person, go into that zone of feeling, what would you do? Or, if you have that person with you, if you have that relationship with you right now in this moment. So once you do that, once you have the detailed script ready of how this exact visualization looks into your life, how this manifestation looks into your life, read it out loud or read it in your mind so that your mind captures all the detailed words. So that is the first step that you need to do. The second step is find out what is the best time for you to do your visualization. For me, I always do my visualizations just before I go to bed, because that helps you reprogram your subconscious mind. Now, when you're visualizing something, you're actually throwing signals in your subconscious mind and you're trying to reprogram it. So a subconscious mind is extremely powerful. That is where your realities are created. Your deepest belief, your deepest perceives, whatever you perceive as, everything that you perceive as is there. So it's very important that you have to train or reprogram your subconscious mind into believing that your reality is only what you are creating and is not affected by what the present situation is. So a lot of people actually, confuse, saying that how can I believe what my reality is when my present situation is so and so. Now understand one thing: your reality and your present situation is very, very different. Your reality is what you believe you are. Your reality is actually what you believe you want in life and what you can achieve in life. But your present situation is only at the moment, and this moment is gone, so that is past. So every single present moment that you have will actually help you create that reality. It does not determine what your reality is right now. So do not confuse between your present situation and the reality that you're creating for yourself. So once you have the clear picture of what you want, choose the timing which is best for you. It can be, just before you go to bed, or just after you have woken up when you want to do it, or when even during the middle of the day if somebody wants to do it. But only criteria is have a very quiet environment where you're not distracted with anything else, where your mind is at peace. So for me, it's always just before I go to sleep. It works for me because that helps my subconscious mind reprogram yourself while I'm sleeping, because I have gone into sleep with that belief, with that thought which I have tried to create in my mind, right? So choose a time and then just sit. And okay, one more suggestion is try not using your any electronic devices like your cell phone, or your tabs or your computer. So just keep all of those things aside 15-20 minutes before, so that your mind does not occupy in any other thought process. So do that. Sit down or lie down in your bed, close your eyes, and then take few deep breaths. So just breathe in and breathe out. Do at least 11 breaths, and you will see your mind is actually calming down. So once you have calmed your mind down a bit, and if you want to actually do, the deep breathe in and breathe out for a longer period of time, you are most welcome to do it. But try doing it at least for the 11 times, and you'll find your mind is much calmer. Now, when your mind is calm, then go into the detailed scripting. So go and see yourself living whatever you want right now at this moment. See yourself, if it's a particular job you're trying to manifest, see yourself walking through the door of that company, see yourself opening the door, see you're sitting in that chair, that table, see how you're interacting with all the people around you. If it's a cabin for you, touch the walls, feel everything, feel as if it's reality, it's right now happening with you. And once you go into that zone, your emotions are the one important thing which matters, which gives you the, which puts everything in motion actually. So emotions, as we call it, is energy in motion. So emotions are the thing which always should be backed up. So go into that zone of visualization, feel every single detail, feel that office that you're sitting in, feel doing that job that you want, feel being with that person that you want to manifest, see every detail, see holding hands with that person, or signing some documents or checking your emails. Just do it in that visualization mode. Do every single thing that you would want to do in that visualization mode, and get into that zone of feeling good that it's happening right now, and it is actually happening right now, because that is how your mind is perceiving it. And when your mind perceives it, you will automatically see, you feel amazingly good about it. So go into that zone, do that visualization, see every minute detail of it. And I would suggest do it for at least 3 to 5 minutes, but you are most welcomed to do it as long as you want. But do that. And then once you're done, open your eyes and let it go. So do not hold it back and think about when is it going to happen. I have done my visualization. When is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? Don't think about that. Just feel good that it has happened right now and you just experienced it. Go into that zone that it's already yours. You experienced it. It's only a matter of actually being there. It's already happening in your reality. You are creating it in your mind. You are creating it and bringing it into your life. So just feel good and start enjoying yourself. So that's why I suggest, that's why I personally say that once you have done your visualization, I straight away go to sleep after that. So I do it just before my bedtime so that my subconscious mind plays that and it tries to thinking what is happening, what I'm trying to create as my reality. So that's one of the visualization techniques that is there. And for how long you should do it? 21 days. It's always said that it takes 21 days to reprogram your mind. It takes 21 days to reprogram your belief. It takes 21 days to reprogram a habit. So if you're trying to develop something new, it is going to take time, right? So do that visualization, get into that zone, picture your manifestation completely, and then just let it go. Don't hold on to it. And if you're asking me how many times in a day, that's also one question that I get asked, how many times in a day that you should spend visualizing? I will just say once. So stick to that particular timing which you have picked up. If it's early morning or just before you go to bed or middle of the day, whatever your timing is, just make sure you stick to that timing, right? So I hope this video helps you manifest whatever you want. Try visualization, try manifesting your dreams, and then give me a comment if you want me to make a video on any other particular topic. I'll try making it. But from this week onwards, I would make few videos which would actually tell you about how you can utilize the techniques for manifestation and actually manifest everything in your life. So just a small suggestion, if you're going to try manifesting anything for the first time, because of course you can manifest anything. It doesn't matter how big is it, or it doesn't matter how small is it. It could be a cup of coffee, or it could be anything like $1 million. And I'm actually telling you can manifest. So but if it's something which you're wanting to try for the first time, I would suggest you try with something smaller, because when you try with something smaller and those things come showing up, then it's your belief, your faith starts building up, because it's all about manifestation is all about the amount of faith and belief that you have in yourself and the universe when you know that it is going to be delivered. And to get into that zone, it takes a little time if you're not so confident of yourself. So try with small things, but if you want to manifest something bigger and you feel that your confidence is super high, if you have complete faith in the universe, you have complete faith in yourself, go ahead, manifest anything you want in life, right? So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I make another video on manifestation process and other law of attraction topic. And if you want me to make a video on any particular topic, please comment below and I will definitely make it for you. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a great day and a great week along. I will see you all next week.